In the world's hottest deserts, where water is scarce and survival is difficult, there lives a calm and powerful animal who walks with patience and strength. The camel, known as the sheep of the desert. But camels are not just desert animals, they are symbols of endurance, intelligence, and peaceful survival in harsh nature. Today, let us explore the amazing life of camels, their power, their kindness, and their unique connection with humans. There are mainly three types of camels in the world. Number 1, Dromedary camel, also called the Arabian camel. It has one hump and lives mostly in the Middle East, India, and Africa. Number 2, Bactrian camel. This camel has two humps and lives in cold deserts of Central Asia. They can survive in both hot and freezing climates. Number 3, Wild Bactrian camel, very rare and endangered, found in parts of China and Mongolia. Each camel is specially designed by nature to survive where most animals cannot. Camels are perfectly adapted to desert life. They can survive many days without water. When they finally drink, they can drink up to 100 liters of water at once. Their humps do not store water, they store fat, which gives them energy during hard times. Their long legs keep their body away from hot sand. Their wide feet help them walk easily on soft desert ground, and their thick eyelashes protect their eyes from sandstorms. Nature has made the camel a true desert survivor. Camels are herbivores. They eat dry grass, leaves, and desert plants, even thorny plants that most animals avoid. Camels can eat them easily with their tough mouths. They are calm and patient animals. They rarely show aggression unless threatened. Camels can remember paths in deserts for many years and can travel long distances with humans and goods. This is why humans have depended on camels for thousands of years. For centuries, camels have helped humans survive in deserts. They carry goods across long distances. They provide milk, which is very nutritious. In some places, their wool is used for clothing. In desert villages, camels are not just animals, they are companions and part of life. They help humans live in places where survival is difficult. The camel teaches us an important lesson: patience and endurance. It walks slowly but never stops. It survives without complaint. It lives peacefully with nature. In today's fast world, we can learn from the camel. Stay calm, stay strong, move forward patiently. Every animal on earth has a purpose. Camels remind us that even in harsh conditions, life can move with dignity and peace. Thank you for watching and learning about this amazing desert animal. Let us respect camels and all creatures of nature because understanding animals brings peace to the human mind. If you love animals and peaceful nature content, subscribe to Sanvarto's Nature Motivation and walk with me on this journey of truth and nature. See you in the next video.